Today on World Famous Foods with Mr. Nez, we're doing a Southern Fried Cabbage recipe. Let's cook. Alright, so we're cooking our bacon first. We're going to cook this until it's nice and crispy. Alright, so our bacon is good. We're going to take our bacon out. Now, in that same bacon fat, we're going to add our andouille sausage. So we're going to cook these for a couple of minutes. Okay, so now we're going to take out our sausage. Oh yeah. Now we're going to add some bell peppers. And some onions. We're going to saute this down. Okay, now we're going to add our cabbage. Also add some chopped garlic. Then got some Goya seasoning. Cayenne pepper. Gotta have that kick. A little bit of onion powder. And some garlic salt. Okay, so now we're going to add some better than bouillon. We're going to cover this, let it cook for about 10 minutes. All right, folks, here we go. Oh yeah, can't complain. Another good recipe. Look at this. So all we're going to do now, we're going to add in our andouille sausage and our bacon. Mix this up. If you guys haven't already, please subscribe to the channel, put a like, drop a comment, like Mr. Ron Daniels does every time. Too bad you can't taste this. Look at this, folks. This is our Southern Fried Cabbage from World Famous Foods. Look at that. You guys can try to make it and let me know how it turns out. Again, look at that. Oops, let me give you another. Better look at that cabbage. Look at that. All right. Stay tuned for the next recipe.